In this video, we will show you how to remove an account from the Instagram app. Keep in mind that removing an account is different from permanently deleting one. If you need help deleting your Instagram account, check out our video linked in description below. Tap your profile picture here. Then tap the down arrow next to your Instagram username. Choose the account you want to remove from the drop-down menu. Tap the three lines icon in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Make sure to select the correct account. Then tap Log Out to remove it. Tap Log Out again to confirm. Now the other account will no longer show up along your other Instagram accounts.